Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be reviewing a new product called AgencyPress. Now this is a WordPress plugin and it allows you to make your own agency from home. And this is my review page. There's a link below to read the full review and also to purchase. It's launching on the 20th of August at 11 AM Eastern, 4 PM UK time. And these are some of the highlights of the product. So you can make a quick, fully fledged online agency in no time. You can find businesses and clients from within the system very quickly. You can grab and upload emails and send emails from the built-in autoresponder. They've got a load of done-for-you email swipes. They've got a lot of additional WordPress features that you can sell to clients, and all sorts of other options inside the plugin. I'm going to show you a quick demo of the plugin as well, but let me just go through the pricing. The front-end price for AgencyPress is $16.93 with a downsell of $14.93. Interesting prices. But anyway, now this is only for the launch period, so I believe it's for the first 24 to 48 hours only. Now if you really want to push the system, make some money online and offer services on sites like Fiverr or whatever, you need the Pro version, which is completely unlimited, and that is $63.93 with a downsell of $26.93. Then there's the Enterprise version for $46.93, downsell $36.93. Done for You edition $39.29. The IMX bundle, which is $29 and $19 downsell, and the full reseller license, which is $97 and $47 downsell. If you click on any of these buttons on my page, you'll be taken to the sales page and you can purchase it straight away and pick up all my bonuses. Now let me quickly show you some of the... Okay, these are some of the features of the unlimited upgrade upsell. So you can get unlimited lead finder, so you can find unlimited leads, unlimited site migrations, unlimited backups, and install an unlimited WordPress sites. So this is for additional service you want to offer to your new clients. You get full training on how to use AgencyPress to make money online and to find unlimited jobs, and also how to create gigs on Fiverr to make additional income. They'll even give you done-for-you Fiverr gigs. So if you've never been on Fiverr or sold on Fiverr before, they'll give you done-for-you gigs. And they'll give you done-for-you pages, shop pages and sales pages. Okay, and you can outsource the work. They'll give you a license to outsource the technical work. Okay, and the Enterprise Edition allows you to put your own name and logo on the plugins. Also receive more sales pages, additional themes, 5 additional premium plugins, and one-on-one support. The Done For You Edition has got 5 Deal of the Day products. You get a commission across the complete funnel, SEO optimized reviews for those products, and you can sell them, upload and sell them straight away. The IMX bundle gives you all of their current and future product releases completely free of charge, and you get full training and case studies, plus software bundle that will help you with your business. And the last OTO is the reseller license, so you can resell the entire funnel, and they'll bump up the commissions. This is for the entire funnel. So overall, what I think of it, actually let me show you the demo, then I'll go through the conclusion, but let me show you the bonuses. So the first bonus I've got for you when you buy through one of the links on my page is a collection of 2,500, I believe it's 2,800 email swipes, so you can copy and paste and send them out to your new clients to make some money. I'll give you access to a full video training course showing you how you can go from making $0 to $100 in just 24 hours with no special tools. Bonus 3 is a training course how to get a surge of traffic to your website or offer. Bonus 4 is another full training course. This is a 10k monthly earning case study, over-the-shoulder case study, where you learn how to potentially earn up to $10,000 a month. And bonus 5 is all of the vendor bonuses. So let me show you the sales page quickly. So you can watch the the little sales video here and read the main points. They go through the basic features of the plugin, how much money they earn, some testimonials, and it says for limited times free commercial license, so anything that you create with the plugin you can sell. And let me see, is there anything else that might interest you on here? Okay, so yeah, generate 100% unique email leads with one click. Now I'll show you this in the demo. I actually tried it. I thought, maybe they're not being honest, but I tried the plugin myself, and within I think 2 minutes I had 60 leads in some random niche. So it does work. You can set up your own autoresponder within the system, and you can sell on demand services, so they give you a load of services that you can sell straight away. And let me see. Okay, the rest of it you can read. Let me show you the software now. So this is a WordPress plugin. So basically you'll need WordPress hosting. And let me show you. This is my favorite tool, the lead generator. So you enter a keyword, enter a location. So let me enter a keyword dentist, and let me search for Manchester, UK. So now it's going away and it's looking for details of dentists in Manchester, UK. Now I'm not sure how long this will take. The last one I did, it took maybe 1 minute. So I'll just pause the video here while it's searching. Okay, that actually took about 30 seconds. So this is one of these searches that's pulled up. This was probably not the best example because we don't have email addresses. Let me just show you a prepared list. Sorry, a pre-search list. Go to view list. Let me just pick up this one. Okay. Okay, well this is, okay, sorry, yeah, view leads, yeah, not view list, view leads. So, for example, this one, dentist in York, UK with a search. So you click on this one and you can see it pulls up the email addresses if they're available and the social media contacts. Let me see if there's any, perhaps I shouldn't show the email addresses. Let me see, San Francisco Barbers. Okay, it seems the UK has, maybe because of privacy laws, I don't know. But anyway, so for a lot of the US searches that I tried, I pulled up tons of email addresses. So you can see there's a few here, and there's 6 pages. So what you can do, these leads get saved to your system, and then you can use them to send an email. So what you would do, so just say you picked a dentist in UK email list. You can create a new list, add the email addresses to your list, and then either use a template. So let me show you, for example, if you're offering traffic services. So they've done the subject for you, they've done the email body, and you could just blast it out and wait for replies. Now the way this sends the email, it uses your WordPress mail settings. So it's important to, ideally, I'll probably blur some of these details, but ideally you can use your own Gmail email and send via that, because your host will probably limit you if you have email at all. Or you can set up something like Mailgun or Amazon Email or SendGrid and send email via one of those services. Otherwise you may get yourself in trouble with your host. So you enter SMTP details, and then you can just start sending emails, and then they'll all be added to your list. So you can use them in your other autoresponders, or you can use them for future reference. Let me show you some of the other features. So auto content, so you can search, enter a keyword, enter a category, and it will go and search for articles. You can download the articles, and you can choose to spin them. and use them to create quick content for your clients. The other features, so one-click clones. You can clone content and send it out to your clients or use it on their sites. So ideally, the way this works is that if you're doing it for clients, if you want access to their WordPress, you can install this plugin for them and just create the content and do the actions for them. WordPress Toolkit is some additional tools and plugins that they recommend that you use on the sites. Some services that you can sell is boost site speed. So you can install this plugin, activate it, and you can offer that as a service. And also, a lot of sites still don't have GDPR cookie compliance. This is an EU thing, so mainly. So you do need to have a little notice. So if people are scared, they don't know what to do, they don't know how to install it. You can offer a cheap service. Say, look, I'll install this for you. I'll get your site GDPR ready. And they can avoid any further legal complications in the future. Let's see. So we've got additional tools. We've got keyword suggestion tool, auto traffic tool, SEO boost, and auto content. So let me see the auto traffic. I believe this is social media. Did I install it? Okay, here we go. Okay, so what you can do, you can immediately share content for them across these platforms, and that'll bring them traffic where you can charge them or you can do it for free. What else is there? Oh, wrong one. Okay, so auto content, I've shown you auto traffic, keyword suggestion tool, and SEO booster. Let me see this one. Okay, site and SEO booster. So you can create backlinks and you can give SEO training. So this is another paid for service that you can use to make a little bit more money for yourself as a Fiverr gig or to one of the clients. So that is the overview of AgencyPress. Now I wrote in my conclusion that it's worth it if you want to start making money at home for yourself. My favorite feature was the lead generation and email service. So that means I can just quickly, on any of my WordPress sites, I can search in any niche, grab some email addresses, and send it via that site or via one of my email services, and get some response and just create a database of leads, positive leads. The Pro upgrade is essential if you want to actually make some money from this, because you can use this with a limited number of sites and unlimited access across all the options. So you can do unlimited searches and so on. And the upsells are more dump view packages and reseller rights. So it depends on if you want to resell them and make money that way, or you can just stick to making your own agency and just use the software as is with the Pro upgrade. So overall, it's a nice product. It's a well-made WordPress plugin. It seems to function well, and there's a lot of potential for it. So if you are interested, go to my page, click on the link below, and purchase via any of these buttons here, and you'll get all of the bonuses that I showed you. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye.